Good morning, my friends. Welcome to Trading with KS. Today, 16th of February 2022. So, welcome to the morning session, morning trading session video. So, before we start, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. So, KLCI today slowed down a bit after a big push for many days during the Chinese New Year. So, also palm oil and energy have to watch out because I see probably the top is around the corner. Okay, so let's check out the introduction first before we talk about the stock market. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, let's check out the KLCI first. So KLCI today opened above 1006, went up even higher, but then being sold down. Okay, so now it's come back down to 1006, like a tail at the top. So possibly 1006, as I said, very big resistance. So price is trying to push now. 1006 is trying to push it down. So possible. Okay, have to watch out. Possible this push, right? Possible coming to an end. Possible. Okay, so we have to wait for evening, see how the price action close. For now, looks like it's not breaking 1006. Okay. Okay, look like, let's check out this KL the BURSA. Okay, so morning session, sentiment 47, gainers 352, losers 401. Losers is a bit more than gainers. Volume 1.614. Okay, not too bad. Drop 2.0 points. So 1597. So morning open higher, then in the evening, after open high, keep on selling. Okay, keep on selling down. So morning open at 1614, reach almost 1613, probably reach 1613. Open above 1006. Then dropping now is not so good. Okay, let's check out the sector. Consumer up 0.06. Industry 0.22 up. Construction 0.74. So construction first time up so high during these 2 weeks. Technology today rebound a bit. Okay, so the war between Ukraine and Russia looks like already already, what do you call it? Already come down. Already come down. So the looks like the war is not happening. Okay, Russia already moved. The last I heard is Russia already moved their troops. Okay, around the border of this Ukraine. Okay, so looks like the war not going on. Then possibly we got a chance for the stock market to rebound. Property drop 0.18. Plantation today drop 0.76. Later I'll talk about plantation and energy. RIAT up 0.08. Energy also dropped 1.67. We also need to take a look at the energy sector. Healthcare dropped 0.76. Telecommunication dropped 0.26. Transportation up 0.13. Utilities up 0.41. Okay. So the strong one today is construction. First time we see construction the strongest. Okay, we have to watch out for energy and plantation. Okay. Look at the energy chart. Okay, energy sector chart. Energy sector chart not so good. Okay, we are making a divergence. Okay, looks like price want to come down before it go up. Okay, look like price want to come down before it goes up. So be careful holding all the energy stock. Energy stock probably want to take have a plan to take profit. And also this one also, check out this one. Check out this one. Plantation. Okay, plantation already reached this one. Channel top. Already reached our channel top. This one channel already reached channel top. So there's some resistance over here. I'm not saying it will guarantee go down, but I think probably it will go down for a while before it goes up. Probably there's some correction over here. Probably it will come down first before it goes up. So this one, hold a few more days, see what happen. Hold a while first, see what happen. Whether it stop here, then it goes up again, or it start to turn down. If it start to turn down, probably okay, you have to plan. Probably you have to take profit already on this plantation stock. Okay, just posted my forex video this morning. Posted my forex video, so you want to check out my forex video. I also want to buy me coffee. Don't forget, go to coffee.com, ko-fi.com, coffee.com, trading with KS, and look at some top gainers today. Okay, Sam got some volume. Take a look. PMBTECH, take a look at some volume. MPI, not so big volume. Little bit. Airport got some volume. Take a look. FPI, okay, not bad volume. Take a look. P Metal, take a look. Greatech, Greatech, take a look. Greatech. Big volume. Bang. Okay, basically these are the ones that are stronger this morning. SAM, PMBTECH, Airport, FPI. DNEX also quite strong this morning. I think DNEX is the biggest volume. DNEX very big volume today. I think this one 1.316. So very big volume on this DNEX. So let's check out. Okay, first one is SAM. SAM, right? Actually, SAM is on sideways, and I'm not very keen to play. As I said, this move, right, you have to be careful already, this move. Or it cannot go up anymore, it will come back down. Most likely this one, I think I'm not really keen to play. SAM, I think already reached the top already. This one, any rebound opportunity to short term take profit and run. Or if you really want to play, continue to play long term, you need to go through 25 first. If you go to 25.1, right, means it still can go up. If it cannot go through 25, most likely either sideways, it will start to drop already. This one not very strong now. PMBTECH, take a look. Okay, PMBTECH, big red candle already. Okay, so this one possible one to take profit already. As I said, when it go up, you see red candle bigger than green candle, you have to be careful. I'm not saying it got no chance to go up. It still can continue go up. So maybe you want to take half profit or take some profit first over here, or you take profit because this one already 40%. We already earn 40%, or 40 over percent. So this one, if it breaks up again, we chase again with the profit backs the profit first. This one also look at P Metal also today, big volume. P Metal still okay, trying to do a pin bar. P Metal today have to see what happen. P Metal still no red candle yet. Maybe P Metal still can tahan a few more days, see how. But PMBTECH cannot, looks like cannot tahan already, wants to come down already. Airport today also got not bad volume. Airport already recovery stock. Airport we bought over here 5.8, 6.1, so continue to go up, so continue to hold. FPI today news also talk about FPI. Newspaper say got chance. I got post on Facebook here. KLC. KLSE screener, Formosa, FPI set to propel higher, LHB say. Okay, so take a quick look at FPI. Okay, FPI we talk about here, right? 3.6 first entry, second entry 3.8. Now continue to go up. Look at 4.1 first, then look at 4.5. DNEX extremely strong today. Very big volume. So this one is going to the sky DNEX. Probably another Genetech. Okay, 1.35. Look at 1.35 first. No big red candle, continue to hold. You see big red candle means the institution start to run. And Greatech also got some momentum today. Okay, GreateCH trying to go up. So for this technology, right? Technology, I think possible got chance to rebound possible got chance to rebound because the war now no more already come down. Then possible US possible want to help the economy. Possible I feel like US possible want to help the stock market a bit So this one just hold and see what happen just hold and see what happen. Okay, there's a morning session. I'll talk to you again in the evening. See you from COVID. Bye bye.